welcome to our channel, the Kelia&Kai. Today we're making more soap, like some other episodes when we made soap. Remember that other one with lavender? We're doing that again, but the bee one with these.
It's cactus.
This and this and this. Three different kinds.
Mm-hmm.
Putting them upside down. Because last time they flipped.
Mm-hmm.
We figured that out. So if you buy one of these molds, make sure to put them like this. Because they will flip. Any of these.
And we're using the lavender essential oil and the lily of the valley, the scent. And the color we're using...
And we're using grape violet and sunset yellow, the same ones we used last time.
Okay, so now let's get it working.
The first step is to cut the soap, which is pretty easy if you use the curves. But if you ask me to help, I will go for the curves if you have any. Because for some reason the curves are easier for me. But the straight one might be easier for you. By the way, it's optional if you want to use the curves. They're just more funner to look like them, but sometimes hard to put together. Like that, which I just did. And now, you cut it up into very little pieces. That's really important. That's a really important step. So never skip this rule. For all of it, like this is really good.
I think you could have chopped it a little bit smaller.
Yes, you can chop it smaller if you want to, but this is good if you wanted to.
So we're doing two colors here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we maybe, okay.
And by the way, use chopsticks if you don't want to get spoons dirty. If you have any chopsticks, at least. You can use any kind, even these Star Wars ones that had switches, which need to be replaced. And keep doing the same cutting strategy. This one's a new one this is a new strategy that I'm doing. Now here it is. Here's some more. And some facts about some ocean creatures. A Yeti crab was found in the dragon vent. And also Yeti crabs from their own food, bacteria. Bacteria grow and get captured in their long hairs on them. And they use their mouth to rake it up into their mouth and then eat it. And giant ice pods can grow bigger than some land animals. They usually grow over 14 inches.
Should I pause it so we can cut? Okay.
I don't know.
No. Should I pause it so we can cut it long? Otherwise it's really long, okay?
Okay. It's up to 30 seconds to heat up. And And if you have like a microwave like this, it's great to use. It tells time and tells, you know, how much time there is for how long you have to wait. Especially the minutes. But no hours. I'm sorry for that. No minutes.
I think you
hours.
probably need another 30 seconds, right?
Yeah, multiple.
I'll check it out.
Next one's, and then you'll need to mix it over time.
I think you need more.
Mom, you need to mix it.
I need a mixer.
With about 10 seconds. About 10 seconds. So it has to be really quick. Like we just overdoed it, which is bad. Overdoing is bad.
30 seconds, honey.
I know, I just sliding like 0 to the start.
Yeah, don't use that to touch the microwave. You're gonna get dirty.
Don't worry. Don't worry about me. Just mind my own business. Luxurious. Luxurious. And if you are a person that really wants to buy one of our soaps, well, soon we're gonna sell our soap. Oh wow, melted.
Okay, it's melting. So we need another 30 seconds? You think? Another 30 seconds. Do you want me to hold this chopstick?
Sure. Since when this is over, you'll have to give it to me. Because remember, 10 seconds of mixing. Let's go. And you can count on the timer. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds.
Okay, let's do lavender one first, okay? Okay, honey.
6.
So we're gonna mix the color first, and then we mix the scent.
9, 10.
Still not okay?
Probably 10 seconds. Probably 10 more seconds. Oh, that was surprisingly quick.
Okay, it's all melted.
Not yet.
Okay. I probably need to pause this. Okay.
Right now, this is.
We're adding the color. It's sunset yellow. Okay, I think that's good, Kai. That's pretty good.
5 drops.
One
or
more,
6
just one drop. Okay, that's good. That's good, honey. I think that color is perfect like last time.
Wait, this is really.
And then you can put
like
the scent in. So this time he chose Lily of the Valley.
It's not a squeeze one because that's made of glass.
So,
You have to get lots of it in there
okay.
because
Can I smell it? Let me. Smell good. The Lily of the Valley.
you really need to add that scent. You have to add a lot of it in.
So that is gonna be your cactus ones. You're gonna put in.
Yes. About right now. I'm starting off with this one.
Okay, put each one, honey. Then we can for each one, please. Yes. And then do another one. And then do another one because we can even it out, otherwise we're probably not enough. Okay, do another one. That's okay. Do another one.
There's soap and soap.
Okay, okay, honey, do another one. Just even it out. Another one. That one, honey, that one. Okay, and then save it for another one. This one. I'm wondering how green gonna look in the yellow.
I don't know. It might turn out great. And by the way, if you are doing layer after layer, you are really lucky. And now,
So I feel like this one was too much. It's leaking out. Okay, did you see that? See the way you did it? So now we're popping the bubbles.
it actually works.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think that's good enough. It's good enough. Oh, honey, we don't want to